As a trader, everyone wants to pay less brokerages, get more quality platforms, and get quick customer support when needed. We, Trader Signal, suggest you to open free demat and trading account with Fyers Securities, our fastest growing best discount broker in India. To open your free account, please click on the link in the description box below, fill in your details on the page opened and click submit. Our representative will soon contact you and will open your account.
Hi, today I would like to talk about trend lines. Trend lines are widely used in the technical analysis to define the price action, if it is an uptrend or a downtrend. Trend lines are most effective tool while trading with price action movements. However, the problem people do face is drawing a perfect trend line. I do still believe drawing trend lines is an art. I will discuss about in later videos. In this video, I want to show about drawing a trend line with regarding a price pattern called head and shoulders. We know head and shoulders statistically reliable pattern and can be succeed about 80% of the time. I am not discussing about the finding one on the chart and become a champion. Here I would consider three swings, and the middle swing must be the higher high or lower low, and the left and right swing must be the higher lows or the lower highs compared with the middle swing. I would connect the neckline and trend line is important. However, the pattern we are looking might not be the textbook price pattern till it fulfills the criteria I have mentioned before. This video is about drawing it without deep thinking to be a champion. Here, it can work on any time frame. This can be used with combination of any trading setup you have. Slide showing which is correct according to the stuff I mentioned, the slide showing which is not a correct pattern and can be avoided. This might not be a typical drawing of trend line, but in markets anything can work. This is the crude oil chart. So here I have mentioned before, like when you have a middle swing should be high and the swing before and after should be lower than the middle. So here the two lower highs are there and the middle high is there, so it exactly suits our pattern. So what I can do is now I would connect this kind of a neckline here. So if you connect the neckline, now you can see it's drawing exactly drawing like pattern on head and shoulders. So here's a simple line which was connected, and after some time the price broke down and the price continued downside. So what would be the condition right now, like if you want to draw on present candle? Let me remove all the drawing tools. Yes, and here you can see through this one was the high, and it's a lower low and lower high, and here also it make a lower high. So what I can do is I would connect the trend neckline of this one. So according to this, crude oil broke up the trend line above and it's a buy. It may trade somewhere here for some time, but yeah, it's surely going up. So this is the kind of pattern where we need to focus on drawing the trend line. And here is one chart where you can draw the neckline here, trying to draw the neckline here. The price broke it after some time. The price broke up and it just showed. So you can't draw a trend line here because the price is completely making new highs each time here. So this part, this part is not valid to draw any kind of a trend line. So now you can see like where would be the ideal situation to draw a trend line. And here this was the high, this was the lower highs and lower highs, so you can connect here. So after breaking this trend line, you can see the price how it dips. So it's easy stuff, but you need to keep watching, like, oh, what was the perfect condition like to drawing the trend line. Yeah, thank you.